This is crazy. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm downtown. Just got out of the bars, 2 a.m. Oops, and look at that. There's a bear right there. I have to be careful, but do you see him? What's up, man? Headed down to the river now. Not to get water this time, but to get a rock. I need a perfect sized rock, just like this one, that goes into this little bag. And you have this string. Trying to hang up a bear bag for the night. This is prime territory for black bears. So I'll do that. This is beautiful out here. Well, what I'm trying to do is set up a bear bag. So I've got a rock in this, a string right here. And what you're looking for is a tree to hang it up in. So, like that big dead tree right here, it's going across. I'm gonna try to throw it right into that V right there. We'll see if we can make that. So what you do here is you tie one end of the string down to like a log or something that's on the ground. And then the other end of the string is attached to the rope. I got a rock inside of this bag. I'm gonna try to throw it up over that tree. Wrong way. Try it again. Oh, try it again. I stepped on the string. Try it again. Try it again. Now the string's caught on my foot. Try it again. Oh, whoa. Oh. Try it again. Try it again. Try it again. This is how hanging a bear bag really goes in real life. Hanging a bear bag. It's like the hardest part of the job, dude. Try it again. I'm getting closer. I caught a branch. There we go. There it is. Now this is how you hang a bear bag so that the bear doesn't get it. Try it again. Okay, so that's how you hang up the bear bag. Now that you've got it strung like this through the trees, then you take this thing, which is a bell. Now, we have that bell on there in case a bear does get to the bag. Then you can hear the bell ring, and then you can come out and try to defend your food, I guess. Now, where this bear bag is hanging, a bear could possibly climb up the tree and get it, but, you know, it's all that you can do. Try. Hanging up the bear bag for the night. Birdy's tying the bear bag off. You aren't really supposed to tie a string right to a tree going to the bear bag, but what are you gonna do? This is the only way we can do it tonight. I guess it's late.
No CT style tonight.
No CT style tonight, Birdy says. He says we put in a good effort, not the best, not the worst. All right, there's a bear on top of this trash can.